Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite place for home and outdoor design inspiration. Today, we're diving into the amazing backyard oasis design ideas for 2025. Whether you're dreaming big with a pool and kitchen, or working with a cozy space on a budget, this video is packed with everything you need to turn your backyard into your personal paradise. Now let's be honest. In 2025, our homes have become more than just places to live. There are sanctuaries, our hosting spaces, and our escape from the world. Let's start with one of the top trends of 2025, minimalist modern design. This is all about clean lines, calming layouts, and using natural materials like stone and wood. Think warm lighting built right into your landscape and peaceful zones made from organic textures. And if you love that luxurious feel, you'll love combining reclaimed wood with natural stone, a combo that feels timeless, elegant, and super grounded. Next up, biophilic design. That's a fancy word for one simple idea. Bring nature into your space. This can be as simple as a green wall or as epic as a koi pond or cascading waterfall. Backyard garden ideas are booming this year, especially in places like India and the Philippines, where people are blending lush greenery with sustainable design. Whether it's a backyard garden makeover or a brand new backyard wildlife oasis, this trend is here to stay. Now, if you want a space that works for you, not the other way around, smart tech is your friend. We're seeing more homeowners integrate smart lighting, voice-controlled music systems, and automated irrigation that keeps everything thriving with minimal effort. Imagine sipping a drink on your backyard patio, telling Alexa to play your favorite playlist, and watching your garden come to life automatically. Yes, please. And speaking of patios, this is a major part of backyard design. Whether you're dreaming of a full backyard patio with kitchen, or just starting out with a simple backyard patio DIY project, it's all about making the space functional and beautiful. Backyard patio lighting ideas, cool tiles, built-in seating, these little details take your space from average to amazing. Let's not forget the magic of a great fire feature. Outdoor fireplaces and fire pits are still trending hard in 2025, and it's easy to see why. There's just something about gathering around the flames under a starlit sky that never gets old. Add some cozy seating and a few lanterns, and boom, instant backyard oasis vibes. And of course, who wouldn't want a pool? From backyard swimming pools in India and Philippines to above-ground pool landscaping ideas on a budget, there's a style for every yard and every wallet. Small backyard swimming pools can look just as stunning as larger ones, especially when paired with thoughtful landscaping, like rock gardens, tropical plants, or even a natural-style pond. And for a major wow factor, consider an infinity pool or a garden swimming pool with floating stepping stones. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I'm inspired, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I got you. Here are a few practical tips to bring your dream to life. 1. Start with a vision. Define your style, your must-haves, and your budget. 2. Get professional advice. A landscape designer or architect can take your ideas to the next level. 3. Stay sustainable. Go for permeable pavers, solar-powered lighting, and eco-friendly materials that are kind to the planet. We've pulled together some incredible backyard landscaping ideas, from budget-friendly builds to luxury backyard oasis design studio projects, and we're just getting started. So if you've been dreaming of transforming your backyard into a serene getaway, a stylish entertaining space, or even a full-on garden retreat, now's the time to make it happen. And hey, if you found even one idea in this video that you loved, do me a quick favor. Like this video, share it with someone who's planning their own backyard upgrade, and subscribe to the channel for more weekly inspiration on backyard design, home decor, and all things cozy living. Plus, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what your dream backyard oasis looks like. Is it a backyard patio makeover, a backyard garden tour, or maybe a full-blown backyard swimming pool transformation? Let's get a conversation going. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building your perfect outdoor sanctuary. See you in the next video.